This is a world with Grandpa. He is the one who will save.
His name is Uncle Grandpa.
Ho 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 ho. Now, wow.
Alex, is it recording?
Yes, now we shall go right into this game. And we are here. So now we are going to be put it in full screen. There we go. Okay, let's restart. We are going to be doing YouTube fight with Pokemon. Who will I be going up today, sir? Oh gosh, it's Slugman. Let me take him out, sir. No, sir. It's too late. I died. Oh, darn. I hate you, Sluggo. Why? That's it, Sluggo. You're going downtown. I like you. Let's just go into this one now. Let's go into for PewDiePie. I don't even like PewDiePie, but I'm going to do it. What the heck is wrong with this guy? This guy is literally psychopathic. I swear, he's a psychopath. That guy's mean. He said I failed. Why did you say I won? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. No. No. That. Oh my gosh. This is so hard.
Alex, call him again. You should call him.
Okay, just wait. Oh, Svenja.
Alex, you still have his number up here?
Svenja.
Alex, is his number still up here?
Yes. Yes.
You have to tell me what you want.
Svenja. So, guys, I'm sorry about the lack of uploading. You know, school and all. School year. Gotta get those grades. Good ones, too. And so I'm going to be making less videos, like a lot less recent. Like
but in
maybe
the summer, for free.
Yeah, so stick around still. So I'll probably be making maybe about hopefully I'll try to make 3 videos a week on the weekends. So stay tuned. Also check out my Musical.ly, my little sister's Roblox account, and hers is Cloud the Savage Cat. And then mine is Alex Boy.
Cloud Savage Cat, that's his.
No, mine's Alex Boy.
Cloud.
Yeah. No. And we're back. What the heck, we're in?
I know.
Stop.
That's how I'm savage.
He's a savage barbarian.
Okay.
Why is she so savage? Why? Come over here, Uncle Grandpa. You think just because you're old and fat, I'm gonna go easy on you? Oh, well, you're wrong. And I'm gonna chest stomp you. And chest stomp. Never mind, I missed. Head stomp. Feet crush.
Head stomp.
And butt bachelor. Butt bump. With my swag. With my thingy, whatever this is called, I forgot. Pogo stick. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in your head, boy. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh.
Whoa.
Wait. And oh, I'm so good at combat. I can bust his head.
Please stop, Alex.
Gosh, yeesh.
Good.
Someone doesn't like this artwork. I'm dead. So anyway, guys, this video isn't going to be really me just playing. It's just going to be me, you know, talking about when my schedule is going to be. I'm going to try and make a video on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if I can do that, that'd be awesome. And I'm also going to be making Musical.ly, so I'm going to try and leave a link to my Musical.ly. It's going to be really bad because, I'm not good at links. You already know that. But actually, never mind. I don't know how to make links at all. So you're just going to have to go on your own. And hopefully you guys can find it so you can check out my Musical.ly. I'm also going to be making some announcements on Musical.ly. So just go, not subscribe, follow me on Musical.ly. Also, if you do, I'll be announcing some new cool stuff on it also. And that's going to be my source instead of Instagram and stuff because I don't have that. So I'm going to be saying stuff on Musical.ly before I do it on YouTube. So you should probably see me on Musical.ly. And if you follow me, that'd be awesome. And I'm also gonna leave my name in Musical.ly, so then you can look it up on Musical.ly, find me and stuff. Also, just appreciate the time it took me to make this video because I had to record me playing a game and then record me talking and merge it together. So leave a like for that. So yeah, it took me a while to make this video. Okay, so when Bruce Lee jump.
I don't see how it took you such a long time, Alex.
Dead. Okay, it's dead.
Because you're cheap.
You're looking at nice. Oh, I hate you. I got impaled.
I'm too little.
Well, that's. Oh yeah, we are back with more Happy Wheels.
Oh, you were done with that video.
No. So now, let's continue this. And so, I'm just saying, if you want to know about what I'm going to be doing, make sure that you follow me on Musical.ly. Leave likes on some of them if you like them. Hopefully you do. And, yeah. Musical.ly is going to be my source instead of, Instagram and stuff. Also, I'm going to try and get my Wi-Fi on my phone to work so I can, use Google Plus and use that instead of Musical.ly, but for now, it's just going to be Musical.ly. So, yeah, Musical.ly, it's not too bad, and, at least I have something. But seriously, just appreciate how long it took. I had to record and all that, so, yeah. Okay, I'm back. So, whew. Okay, so let's go forward. Wait. Yeah, let's go forward. Forward, up, up, and away, and it's a fail. Oh, let's go back up. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, yes, 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 it's a go. Plan B's a go. Oh, gosh. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. So check out my Musical.ly so I can tell you what I'm going to be doing and my schedule and all that stuff. So leave a like and subscribe. Bye.